Supercook app, super cool idea. Recipes that use what you have. Add all the ingredients you have at home. Discard thousands of recipes, all made with ingredients you have. Powerful filters. Shop smarter. 11 million recipes in 20 languages. So that's just what you have. How many times have you found yourself looking for that perfect recipe only to find that you are missing one or more ingredients? How many times have you opened the fridge and thought yourself, what can I make? So Supercook to the rescue. Unlike other recipe apps, Supercook only shows you recipes that require the ingredients you already have. All the recipes you see in Supercook are recipes you can make right now. No more inconvenient grocery runs for a missing ingredient at the time when you should be home with your family and friends. It needs to know all the ingredients you have at home. Visit the pantry page. Choose from a list of 2,000 plus ingredients broken down into categories. Start adding all the ingredients you have to Supercook app. So super smart idea. And so let's open it up. So here's the app. Get started. Dictate many ingredients at once, or you can just add or remove past ingredients. So you have, like for example, this, you have this, and then you have that's, but for example, that's C, that's it. And then you have 11 thousand, like 1,148 recipes just from these 10 ingredients. You can see gluten-free, if you had flour, using your butter, vegetarian, if you had potato. And then yeah, you can then just see, like using your milk, then you can just see the idea, and then you can view full recipe in here, and that's basically how you see it. So pretty cool. Like then you can just select missing one ingredient, key ingredients, and that's, so it's just what you have. Then you have your favorites, then you have pantry, and then you have your shopping list, which you can buy, and you can also then just sign up. So pretty cool app, super nice idea. Try it out.